Welcome to the vlog, everybody. So today it's Friday, October 4. We're on our way to the airport because we're going to be spending the weekend in sunny San Francisco. Apparently there's a heat wave doon, so we're gonna head over there, but that's not the reason why we're going there. We just happen to be going there. But yeah, anyways, we've booked this for a while, but we are now going finally. Flight is delayed. I'm so sleepy.
Forward on the behind the aircraft.
Alright guys, we're waiting for our Uber right now. We just got here sa San Francisco. So yeah, just waiting for Uber. Right? Right?
We're waiting for?
Uber.
Oh yeah,
We're only here for a weekend. So like 2 days. So tonight, tomorrow, and Sunday. But we're coming back Sunday evening, so basically all of our weekend is here, which is nice, outside of Vancouver. Yeah, there's our Uber, I think.
we are now.
At our hotel.
Tingnan mo nga yung buhok ko.
Very gay.
Very gay. Pero
Alright,
yes,
let's go.
papasok na tayo.
Dito kami sa Hotel Abri. Okay, we got this from the front desk. Cute. So we're on the 5th floor.
Medyo masikip lang yung ano nila. Elevator, pero it's really good, no?
Yeah. Alright, I really have to poop, guys. Alright, let's bring our stuff. What the heck? Looks kind of old. Guys, it definitely smells like someone has had sex in here. Alright, I'm just gonna use the washroom. We gotta turn on the AC, so maybe it'll smell a little bit better. I think maybe it'll lock on its own. I don't know. Guys, so ito yung binigay nila sa amin. Oh, may ano yan? Pinot Grigio and some water. Pero, so here's a tour around the room. And it definitely looks different than the pictures online. But I mean, this is fine. We're only sleeping here. And this is around $400. So that's what you get for $400 in San Francisco, I guess. I guess we could have stayed like at a nicer one, but we didn't want to pay for more. So this is good. Right? Is this okay?
Yeah. Tsaka may complimentary wine sila and water and
Doritos.
Doritos.
So I guess I guess it's fine, right? There's just no fridge, but it's okay. It's not like we need it.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're just gonna rest for like a little bit and then take a walk around. But not long. I just need some contact lens stuff.
Oh, yeah. Parang Granville na syudad. I mean, sa downtown. Pero mas wider yung streets.
True.
Mas wider siya.
I think that's essentially the equivalent of San Francisco for Canada is Vancouver anyway. That makes sense. We're just walking around right now, looking for a place to eat, and we're stumbling upon a lot of galleries because San Francisco has a lot of the creatives living here. And
This is Manoy and this is Atarian.
oh yeah. They are, yes, it's cute. Kami sa, what's this called? Hinodaya. Ramen. Oh, that's a good looking ramen.
Ramen sa hating gabi. Sorry. Good morning, San Francisco.
So it's day 1, morning 1 of our San Francisco tour thing. Actually, it's our only full day.
Yeah, kasi bukas, uwi na kami, pabalik na kami ng Vancouver. So actually, ito lang talaga yung araw namin dito. Kasi kagabi kami dumating, and then bukas,
Uwi na.
uwi na kami.
Pero nighttime pa naman kami uwi bukas. So, we have a 2-day hop on, hop off. Para lang hindi na kami mag-worry about like getting around and stuff. Kasi marami namang stop yun. But yeah, we'll take you for, I don't know.
Wherever we go.
Yeah. I don't know what that is, pero may nag-aaway na couple dito. Ayan. Exciting.
San Francisco Bloomingdale's. Hi Mitch, if you're watching. Pero she's based in New York.
Sino?
Yung friend ni Nico na naging kakilala ko na din.
Oh.
Nag-intern siya sa Bloomingdale's pero sa New York. But here,
I'm gonna go into Pete's for coffee. Oh, Wells Fargo? Did you work there?
no, but I know someone who works.
Oh, okay.
Nung nagtatrabaho pa ako sa bank sa Philippines, hindi ko na lang sabihin kung ano chart. Isa sa mga napagtrabahuan ko na banks, nagbibigay ng mga pads, yung Wells Fargo. Nagbibigay din sila ng mga power bank before. And it's so fun. Kasi feel ko yung tatak ng Wells Fargo.
Saan ba ng picture dyan? Guys, I am manifesting all of these into our lives.
Honestly.
Look at that! Holy! Yung driverless car nila, oh. Walang driver. And also, more manifesting. More manifesting. Do or do not. This is our first stop, which is Union Square. So this is Union Square. It's coming up in a little bit. Yan. Hop on, hop off. Diyan kami sasakay today. Yan. Union Square. We're on the bus. That is the Civic Plaza. Yeah, it's city. The other side of the city hall is this. This one is over there. Opera House. Napakainit. Nasusunog na kami dito sa taas.
Ano pa lang, ilang degrees ka? 28 degrees.
28 degrees at
Pero
12.
yung highs ngayon is 33 ata, 32.
Yeah, 32. So it's a good weekend to go kasi maganda yung weather, but
And sobrang lamig sa Vancouver ngayon.
look at our foreheads. This is Panhandle Park daw. Hit me. So right now we're going to Lombard Street. We're just walking. We got off the bus. It's a 9-minute walk. How do you like it so far?
It's fine. Mainit lang, pero
Yeah, mainit pero okay.
okay. Yeah. Maganda pa rin. Marami
Ayun yung bus namin. Big bus.
mas marami ka naiikutan pag nagaganyan ka.
Oo. Nai-hit namin lahat. Tapos, kahit may traffic, parang chill ka lang sa taas. Anyways, we're gonna walk for like 9 minutes. BRB.
Do you think?
Hindi, may machine. So this is Indonesian siomay. So there's siomay, tofu,
Eggs. And then, yung laman ng siomai is fish and
chicken. And then that's peanut sauce with chili.
It's good. It's really good.
It was really good.
You like the sauce?
I loved it.
And
It was really good.
Nag-combine sa lemon. I don't know, siguro na-appreciate lang natin lahat ng food ngayon, pero it's really good.
Yeah.
Good.
On the way pa rin kami sa Lombard. Na-distract lang kami dun.
Which way though?
This way. Up that hill. How steep that is. We just came from down there. We're already so winded. God.
This is why we walk sa treadmill.
On an incline. Where
Because-
even then, this is like a higher incline.
Because of this.
Jesus. Damn, I would not do that. That's the start of it. There it is. So this is Lombard Street and this is Lombard Street. Ayan. Kanina pa sila dyan, ayaw nilang gumalaw. Pero ayan ang Lombard Street from the bottom. Right, so, our next stop is
I think tapos na kami dito sa ano.
Lombard. There's a lot of tourists, of course, like us. So our next stop is Fisherman's Wharf. And then we're gonna go on the bus again. So, ayan si Manong. Manong naked. Yung campaign nila guys. So, sa Fisherman's Wharf na kami. Lapit na. Okay, we are here. Shoot, it's so ano. Fisherman's Wharf in San Francisco. Yung Alcatraz. Ayan o. May tour dapat kami for tonight. Kaso lang na-cancel. So, sadness. I think we stayed at this hotel before. No. I think we stayed at this hotel before when it was everybody who came. We're gonna go to this church, St. Francis, I think. I love these tables. I guess we're in like the part of San Francisco that's a lot of Italian people because their crosswalks are Italian.
I thought it's going to be Chinatown.
Oh yeah, there's another stop for Chinatown. Ito yung church pa na isa na pupuntahan namin. This one right here. This is a church. Anong church to? This is St. Peter and Paul Church, and then across from it is Washington Park. Okay, we're just gonna do a church visit and then we go. Oh, I think there's a wedding. This is the Embarcadero Center, Embarcadero building. We're going to the Palace of Fine Arts over here. I've never been here before. Cool. Oh, I love this so much. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Look at that. It's so nice. Look at that. Damn. Ano? We're at Baba Gump for dinner tonight. And then we're gonna try to figure out our way home because my phone is a little bit dying. So trying to conserve our energy. But anyways, update is we're at Baba Gump. So we're home now, home being the hotel. That's my CPAP.
And this is our wine. We're gonna drink some wine here on the bed. Naka-ready na pala kami mag-sip, guys. Pero naalala namin na mag-wine pa pala kami. Chinil ko na siya kanina kasi it's a white wine. So, let's try it.
So we're gonna drink wine, go to sleep. Tomorrow is our checkout day, but we're still gonna wake up semi-early because we still have our hop on, hop off until 6. But our flight is at 7:40.
7:40 and then boarding namin is 7:05.
So marami pa kaming time tomorrow. So we're gonna go around places that we didn't end up at today. So today we went to
We went to a lot naman, pero may mga na-miss lang kami.
Mm.
So, I think merong 12 or 13 stops yung hop on, hop off. And then, siguro out of those, hindi naman namin tinarget na lahat ng... Sige, ano?
Wait lang. Wait lang, guys.
Hindi naman namin tinarget na bababa kami sa each stop ng hop on, hop off. Yung mga major ano lang talaga, yung mga maraming tanawin. So like for example, yung Fisherman's Wharf kanina.
Yeah, we walked there, Fisherman's Wharf. We went to Lombard Street. We went to...
Yung yung street na maraming Italian.
Oh yeah, we went there. Kasi may dalawang churches there.
Yeah, and then what else?
We passed by, we drove by yung Golden Gate Bridge like twice today.
Yeah.
And
Hindi
then
kami bumaba because
maybe tomorrow baba tayo mag-picture lang. Kasi we're gonna go that way anyways. We haven't been to the ones close to us, which is Union Street. Union Square. At saka yung parang civic center, civic ano ba?
Alin
Yung government building.
Yeah, hindi pa
We
namin
didn't go
napuntahan yun. Pero
where else did we go today? Oh, yung Palace of the Fine Arts, we went there.
Siguro may naman
Yeah.
recap dun sa
Pero yeah,
namin
mostly we got everything. Siguro may mga
yung blurry naman yun.
dalawa lang ata. Yeah. We're gonna go to the place, yung Painted Ladies tomorrow, at saka yung Alamo.
Oh yeah.
Yung mga hippie na
Yeah.
Yeah, doon
The streets.
punta kami
We
doon.
were supposed to have an Alcatraz tour, night tour kanina, pero yun nga
It got
na-cancel.
canceled, yeah.
Nag-offer naman sila sana na may isa-sub sila for that tour, kaso nga lang hindi na namin maabutan yun because we're only here like technically yung day namin na andito kami is ngayon lang talaga kasi bukas balik na namin bukas ng gabi, but
Marami na rin kasi yung na-cancel tonight na
tours.
cruise. Minove nila lahat yon to tomorrow or like a different day. So lahat ng mga slots for tomorrow parang na full na. So hindi na kami makakaabot. So anyways, that's okay. Yeah, I think that's it. Like
hindi naman masyadong kalakihan pala talaga yung San Francisco.
yeah. And we didn't want to do like,
Super all out
Yeah.
na like grand talaga.
parang ang lang namin is the hop on hop off para like yung mga touristy spots. But if we had more time,
siguro mag-explore pa kami ng more like the Silicon Valley.
yeah, or like siguro next time we're gonna go to the wine country na. And then lots of different places na hindi touristy. But since we're only here for 2 days ish, and it's Kat's first time, we just did the tourist spots.
Spots.
So anyways, that's
maybe
it.
next time na lang yung
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Oh, we went to the financial district too.
Oh yeah.
Kasi we had to walk there tonight to get here. We took the bus and then na-free yung bus namin. And then
bus, oo.
pero parang early off yung bus, so nag-stop siya halfway and then we just walked the rest of the way. So that was good. But anyways,
yeah, so i-end na namin yung night ngayon. Actually, itatry lang namin yung wine and then
we're gonna go sleep.
yeah, kasi maaga pa din kami bukas. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.